How are you? Hope you all are healthy and fit at your place. So, now, today in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about the components of our computer system. Okay, so before that, we will learn a basic definition of our computer system. A computer system is a data processing machine that can work or that can process the input data given by the user. So, in our previous video, we will discuss about the input and output devices. So, here we know that in our computer system, there are basic two components. Number one, hardware, and number two, software. Okay. So, what are the hardwares now? Hardware are the physical components or the components that we can touch, or the software are the programs that we are not able to touch. We can just see that and we can work on that. Okay. So, for further detailed knowledge of that hardware and software topic, we will move to our video screen that we can read about that topic in details. Okay. Here, we will discuss about the difference between the hardware and the computer software. Okay, so first, what is a computer hardware? A computer hardware refers to the physical components of the computer. It is any part of the computer that we can touch at these parts. Okay, these are the primary electronic devices that used to build up of the computer system. Examples of hardware in a computer are the processor like your CPU, memory devices, monitors, printer, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Okay, means basically a computer hardware is a physical component or the tangible component that we can touch. Okay, the next is computer software. A software is the collection of instructions, procedures, documentation that perform the different tasks on a computer system. Okay, we can say also computer software is a programming code executed on a computer processor. The code can be machine level code or the code written for an operating system. Examples of software are MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, Google Chrome, Photoshop, MySQL and etc. Okay. So basically, computer software are the set of instructions given to the computer to perform any specific task, or these are the non-tangible components that we cannot touch. Okay, we can just see it, work on it. We are not allowed it to touch that software components. Okay. So here are some difference between the computer hardware and computer software. Okay. So first let me discuss about the computer hardware. Hardware is a physical part of computer that causes the processing of data. Basically, hardware part allows the computer for the processing purpose, okay? Whereas the software is a set of instructions that tells a computer exactly what to do. Hardware are the parts that allows the processing of the data, whereas the software are the set of instructions that tells the computer exactly what to do. Hardware cannot be perform any task without the software. Means without the software, hardware is just like a garbage. Same as the software cannot be executed without the hardware. So vice versa, we need both hardware and software alternatively. Okay, without the hardware, the software is nothing, and without the software, we cannot execute our code. Okay. As the hardware are the physical electronic devices, we can see and touch the hardware. Okay, we can see and touch the hardware both, whereas in the software term we can see and also use the software but cannot exactly touch them. Okay, we cannot touch the computer software. We can feel it, sorry, we can feel it, we can see it, we can see it and we can work on it. Okay. The next is computer hardware has four main categories like input devices, output devices, storage units and internal components. Okay, a computer hardware has four main following categories: input, output, storage and internal components. Okay, basically a software is mainly divided into the system software, utility software and application softwares. Okay, the examples of computer hardware are keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, CPU, hard disk, RAM, that is random access memory, ROM, that is read-only memory. These are some examples of the computer hardware. Okay. Some examples of the computer software are MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, Photoshop, MySQL, etc. Okay. The next is the difference or the comparison between the hardware and software. So here you have seen like cabinet case, just like your CPU case is called the cabinet case. It is a hardware. Motherboard is a hardware. Here you have seen this. This is a motherboard. Okay. And the RAM, hard disk, CPU, SMPS, switch mode, power supply, basically keyboard, mouse, monitors, printers, speakers. These all are the hardware components of the computer system that allows the user to touch and feel. Okay. So now moving towards the computer software. So there are different type of computer software like your these are your operating system, Unix, Linux, Windows, Mac OS. Okay, so these are the system software, example of the system softwares, whereas some of the examples of application software are like your Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, VLC, Photoshop, Music, Opera Mini, PDF Reader, MS Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, so here are some examples of the application software. Basically, your computer software are the set of instructions that can be categorized into three parts: application software, system software, and utility software. Okay, hope you all are clear with the difference between the hardware and the software. Okay. So that's all about today's presentation. If you have any doubt related to this video lecture, then you can contact me, WhatsApp me, or drop me a message in the drop box. Thank you. Have a nice day.